Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. So in the previous class we had some discussion on variables. So let us see an example of variable. Let us take an example. A is equal to 10. The value 10 is stored in the variable A. B is equal to 20. The value 20 is stored in the variable B. C is equal to A multiplied by B. The product of A and B, that is 10 into 20, that is 200, is stored in the variable C. In the above example, A, B and C are the variables that store the value of A, B and C, that is 10, 20 and 200 respectively. Let us see the rules to write variable names. When you are specifying any variable name, you need to follow the certain rules. A variable name must start with an alphabet. A variable name can consist of alphabets, digits and underscore. No other character is allowed. A Python keyword cannot be used as a variable name. Space is not allowed in a variable name. Remember, a variable name can be of any length. Variable names are case sensitive. Example of some valid variable names are, these are some examples. Following are the examples of some invalid variable names. So these are some example of invalid variable names. Let's know more. A keyword is a word that conveys a special meaning to the compiler. Data types in Python. While writing a Python program, you need to work with different types of data. For example, if you have to enter the height of a person, you will be required to use the decimal value. But if you have to write the name of a person, then you need to use a string or collection of characters. The type of data value that can be stored in an identifier, such as variable, is known as its data type. The data type of a value or a variable is an attribute that tells what kind of data a variable can have. Data types helps in classifying different types of data used in the program. Python language has standard data types that are used to define operations performed on them and the storage method for each of them. The main data types used in Python are given below. First is integer. It is used when you have to work with whole numbers. This can be plain integers. And this is the range of the values that it stores.